tall team.
Oo. But that doesn't mean that they don't block. It just means they don't score off the block, no?
They're always there, as you've seen here in the first set.
Oo.
Yun naman yun na yung purpose ng block. It's not always to stop the ball, but at least try to slow it down.
Slow it down. 16-12, 4-point lead enjoyed by De La Salle in this first set. We'll be back for more volleyball at the arena. (16-12) the count so far after this last play. Let's take a look at Stephanie Mercado with a nice combination. Hindi nahuli dun sa back row na Adamson. 4-point lead for La Salle. How should Adamson adjust, boss?
Well, they haven't gone to their running plays. Itong sila Gilas, she has a big running spike and even a quick hit. Pero mukhang hindi pa natin nakikita yan in this first set. Pero ang La Salle slowly again, going into their combination plays. So ito kailangan bumawi ng Adamson by giving their own version.
Ayun. When it starts with the reception, no? Medyo napalapit sa net yung bigay ni Gata doon. Hindi nagawa ng paraan ni Hiponia.
Well, if there's something that they have to adjust, they have to realize that Serafica is not in the court anymore. And they have to give Hiponia some breathing space. Hindi naman pwedeng, hindi pa niya magagawa yung mga magic tricks ni Serafica.
Nako, for those of you who don't know or are not familiar, ito, paborito ni Bossing. Ito si Serafica, sabi mo nga, ano yan yung bang
Magicaire.
Oo, kung setter ka at naghahanap ka ng role model o yung gagayahin, babalikan talagang si Serafica, no?
Kaya big shoes to fill in for Hiponia. But something that she will learn through all of these games here, the UAAP. Pareho lang naman sila actually ni Martinez.
Oo, si Chisain din naman
Although kasi si Martinez really has played for DLSU as a setter. Hindi katulad ni Hiponia before na nakikita ko yan, pinapasok ni Coach Minerva as a service specialist.
Oo.
Pinapasok sa serves.
Timeout called by Adamson at Cincinnati.
Asa, sino yung kukuha? Kuha ng kuha kahit magkaganyanan kayo. Ikaw, nakita mo nang gano'n na nangyari, hindi ka pa nag-forward. Okay. Coverage. Okay. Kaya pa yan, malayo pa yan, ha? Isa-isahin nyo lang. Dai, nakailan ka na sa defense. Pag nakita nyo, wag ka na umitaw. Nakita mo, get.
Talagang itinuro pa si talagang siningle out pa si Gustilo. Pag sinabi niyang gano'n, narinig natin, dahil nakailang ka na sa depensa. Ano yung sabihin niya? Ilan na yung pinalagpas niya?
Pinalagpas.
Oo. Actually, hindi niya kinatuwa yun,
Pero malumanay pa ito si Coach Minerva. At kasing lumanay na nanunod ngayon sa atin, Coach Allen Kaidi, hello to you. Volleyball pa. Kasi yung mga anak niya are volleyball players for St. Paul Basketball.
Alright. Hopefully we'll see them in pagka-college collegiate na sila, no?
Ito rin yan.
Si Coach Allen magsisisigaw at the stands. Incidentally, we play a lot of games here at the arena, and it's very easy to get to. Watching volleyball live is really a lot of fun. From all of you who are watching us at home, try to catch the games live on Wednesdays, Saturdays, Sundays. We'll let you know ahead of time kung saan ka rin mangyayari. We hope to see you. So easy to get here, very easy to get. This is a wonderful venue for volleyball. And look at that, La Salle already pulling away here in this first set. Yung sinasabi mo, Mozi, na naghahanap ka ng mas creative na plays coming from Hiponia. Pero hindi sila nabibigyan ng opportunity. Tignan natin ano pa bang adjustments kailangan ng Adamson.
Huwag kang umasa sa block. Bisig lang naman yan Okay, Leslie. Wala kang ginawa. Basta tinignan mo lang. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi ba sabi ko, gumawa ka ng paraan, umatras ka, makukuha mo yung bola. Hindi basta tatansyahin mo lang. Kasi ang bola, gumaganyan yung biglang bumababa. Kailangan gumalaw ka kasi ikaw yung may paa. Yung bola walang sumpa yan eh, wala ding utak. Ito yan, oh. Okay? Come on, let's go.
Using a lot of sign language there. Si Mami Daisy, si Coach, sabi nga naman niya, kailangan ikaw gumalaw, hindi yung bola. At ang bola walang paa at walang utak.
Well,
She gets so graphic with her descriptions, ano?
sabi nga natin, mortal sin yan, ano? Yung nagtitinginan lang.
Oo,
Di bali nang
napapako.
mag-untugan kayo dyan trying to get it to
Yun
the
na.
ball. Pero yung nagtitinginan, and especially if it's your libero doing that, it's something alarming.
Nabati ko naman. And LaSalle here very comfortable at 23-13. They only need 2 points to finish off this set. Adamson in the meantime, malayo pa ang kailangan habulin. That win with a solo block there for the 24th point and a set point here for the girls in green. And yun na nga, like we were saying, naghahanap talaga tayo ng mga plays, offensive plays sa Adamson, pero hindi maumpisahan kasi yung mga bigay nga yung mga pasa sa center, hindi magaganda.
And LaSalle knows that kasi inaabangan na nila yung open hit palagi. They're always there for the block. Just like this one.
Ayun, nahirapan pa nga. Hindi na nga na-over pa. And that's an easy first set win for De La Salle, 25-13, the final count. And we will be back for the second set after this break.